What's up guys, Matt with the Outdoor Gladiators, and we're back out in the turkey blind. It's May 7th, and y'all might be wondering, like, what am I doing out here in the turkey blind? I've already killed a bird, right? Well, you would be right, but my wife came to me a few days ago and said she really wants to turkey. So that was music to my ears. Made me really excited. So this is my wife Carlynn. She wants to be the new face of the Outdoor Gladiators. She said we need a female presence, and she's probably not wrong. So a lot of them, the two in the back are yearlings, the one in the front's a 2.5-year-old mother. And they're all probably a little skinny because they survived the winter. They're going to start to fatten out. That's a great shot of the sunlight reflecting off the side of that bird. Whoever edits this, make sure you put this in here. Yeah. Oh no, it didn't feel a thing, babe. It needed to go. It was suffering.
Oh, poor babe.
The farmer's really gonna like that. No.
That's so sad.
No. No, we did a good thing today. We're doing the Lord's work.
That poor thing.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
That's fine. I'm so distraught.
Well, that was fun.
Sucks when you can't eat it.
No, but they destroy crops and farmland terribly. They're useless. Let's go. Well, morning was pretty active. Saw a lot of birds, but they were all just too far away. We are out for the evening hunt right now, and we've got a couple nice toms way out, but they are pretty far. So, and the wind is crazy right now. Also, I forgot all my calls back at the house. Probably her fault somehow, but I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Anyway, what do you think, babe?
I wish you didn't forget your vest.
Yeah, me too. It's making things real interesting. So we're gonna stick it out. We're gonna see what these birds do. If we have to get down and make a move on them, we might do that.
Oh yeah, I was just thinking that.
Sure. She's really good at hunting, so she probably had all that stuff figured out before I even said it. That's all you have to say, babe? You want to be the face of the Gladiators? That's all you have to say? Come on, give me an interview here. What are your thoughts on all this?
I want them to come over here so I can blast one in the face.
I like that. I like that. All right. We're going to see what these birds do, and we will let you know.
Better to kill the turkey than the woodchuck.
Shot a woodchuck this morning. That is a nice tom. Babe, watch your swears.
They're gonna head out.
Oh. Oh, there's 5 of them now. Got him, babe. You got him. You got him. Good job, babe.
Did I get the big one?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Yeah. You can put your gun on safe.
It is unsafe.
Okay. Go in the corner. Babe, good job.
It's dead.
Yeah, it's dead. Yeah, they flop.
Let's go.
You sit down. Babe, what do you think?
It's taking a long time to die.
Oh, he's dead. It's just nerves. They flop like crazy. amazing, guys. This is my wife's first day out turkey hunting, licensed as a hunter by we hunted this morning.
I didn't have your protection on.
I know, I knew that as soon as I saw you were getting ready to shoot. I'm like, I'm not saying anything now, it's got to get done. So,
It really wasn't that loud.
how was the kick on that gun? Didn't even feel it, did you? Turkey Magnum. She shot some game loads earlier, and she's like, "Oh, those really hurt." And I didn't tell her that turkey magnums are going to be way worse. But great job, babe. Congratulations. You got your first turkey.
Peyton's gonna be happy.
Oh, yeah.
We can go Gobbler tomorrow.
Absolutely. I'm like, oh, nice. Let's go.
Let's go.
Good job. That's super.
It's like intense.
Yeah. It's fine. You're fine. Everything's fine. Oh, no kidding. 70 degrees. This bird?
I'm really excited.
This thing's huge. That beard.
Plumber.
Alright guys, we just walked up to this bird a few minutes ago. We found him. He looks awesome. Huge bird, nice beard, really good spurs. My wife's very excited. She was a little cold when we first walked up here, so she was fighting the shivers, so she didn't seem super excited, but she definitely is. What did you think, babe? I mean, the whole experience, start to finish. I mean, I know we were only on it for a day, but how did you enjoy it? What did you think?
It was fun. I've never killed an animal before, so other than my car.
Okay.
But no, it was a fun experience. I mean, I only did two practice shots yesterday,
Yep.
and then to be able to kill something with it, like
She
that was
two practice shots yesterday, was dead on. We came out and she shot this at 41 yards. 41, 42 yards. Just dropped him in his tracks. So very excited. Congratulations, hon. Very proud of you. I hope that you're hooked on turkey hunting from here on out. And as always, guys, thanks for following along. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Take care.